Hello everyone, welcome back to Foodsnippets on Feasty Sisters. Tambuli is a type of raita devoured in the Indian state of Karnataka. It is derived from Kannada word tampu, meaning cool. Garlic is used widely as a flavoring in cuisine, but it also has got numerous health benefits. Let's now see this interesting recipe, the garlic tambuli. Saute 1 teaspoon of jeera in half a teaspoon of ghee and keep it aside. Next, take 2 teaspoons of ghee and saute the garlic pods. You can vary the number of pods accordingly. Once cooled, grind jeera and garlic with half cup of freshly grated coconut, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder and little curd or yogurt to get a smooth paste. To the paste, add salt and curd and mix. You need to get a flowing consistency, so additionally you can add in more curd or buttermilk. For the tadka, take coconut oil, add in mustard seeds, curry leaves and red chili. Pour this tadka over the prepared tambuli. And ready it is, a soothing garlic tambuli to enjoy with rice. It is a perfect summer food as it helps in keeping our body cool and aids in digestion. Thanks for watching.